What if I told you that taking out a student loan today is like buying a Nokia phone in the iPhone era? While you're signing papers for $50,000 in debt, artificial intelligence is making your future degree worthless before you even graduate. But here's the twist nobody's talking about. This shift might not be the blessing you think it is. Let me tell you a story that'll blow your mind. There's a 22-year-old who just graduated with a marketing degree and $60,000 in student loans. Her monthly payment? $450 for the next 10 years. Meanwhile, her neighbor spent 3 months learning digital marketing through AI-powered platforms and now makes more money than she does. Total investment? $800. But here's where it gets complicated. Student loans, as painful as they are, were once seen as an investment, a stepping stone to better income. Now AI is fast-tracking people into skills without foundations. It's like giving someone a fast car without teaching them how to drive. Think about what a student loan really is. It's borrowed money that you promise to pay back with interest over many years. So that $50,000 loan actually costs you $70,000 or more by the time you're done paying. But here's the brutal truth. Most jobs that require a college degree can now be learned through AI tutors in a fraction of the time and cost. Companies are no longer obsessed with your diploma. They're asking, can you do the work? Can you solve this problem? And AI can help you do just that, without spending 4 years in debt. Here's the insider secret that financial advisors won't share. Debt is the enemy of wealth building. Every dollar you send to loan payments is a dollar that can't be invested in stocks, real estate, or starting a business. Rich people understand this principle. They only borrow money to buy things that make them more money. But here's what most people don't realize about the wealthy. They still value real education, just differently. They're not sending their kids to school just for grades. They're sending them for access, connections, and legacy. To the rich, education is less about learning and more about entering networks of power. Meanwhile, the middle class is being lured into skipping college altogether because of AI shortcuts, only to find out they're locked out of the real rooms where deals are made. You think the next generation of billionaires is hiring from YouTube tutorials? They're looking for minds trained to think critically, not just execute prompts. The math is simple, but the implications are staggering. While college graduates spend their 20s paying off debt, AI-educated professionals use those same years to build wealth. But what happens when AI does 90% of the work and you've never actually mastered the other 10%? You're replaceable. Universities are raising tuition faster than inflation because they know students will just borrow more money. It's a perfect scam. They get paid up front. You get stuck with the bill for decades. Meanwhile, AI is creating entirely new career paths that don't require degrees at all. Content creators, AI prompt engineers, automation specialists. Here's what wealthy families have quietly done for years. They don't push degrees, they push skills. Specifically, future-proof skills. Instead of student loans, they invest in building brands, launching online businesses, and hiring mentors. They understand that debt without direction is financial suicide. The truth is, AI isn't just changing the game, it's resetting the board entirely. Critical thinking is the new currency, and those who master it will write the future. So here's my challenge. Are you building a career or just riding a trend? Are you investing in real skills or letting algorithms think for you? What happens when someone with slightly better prompts can do your job faster? Drop your thoughts below. Is skipping college in the AI age smart or risky? Would you still take a $100,000 student loan if you knew AI could do that job in seconds? If this opened your eyes to what's really happening, smash that subscribe button. We're revealing the financial strategies that separate the wealthy from the debt-trapped masses. Until next time, choose assets over liabilities, and remember, wealth isn't taught in school, it's built in the real world.